Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to test the Toyota flasher unit in case of having any fault on flasher operation. Alright, and this Toyota flasher unit is located just right down here. This black one is the flasher unit. This is a flasher unit with 3 pins. Let's see how we can test the flasher unit to make sure it's working properly or not. So anytime you press the hazard switch, if you see the flashers are not working on your car, the problem could be from the flasher unit. Of course, there is a procedure to check the hazard switch itself. But if you check the hazard switch and the problem is not there, you think the problem is from the flasher unit, which is really common as well. This is how you can test the flasher unit just to make sure it's working properly. So for testing the flasher unit, I'm gonna need to provide the battery positive and negative. So that's why I will use this tool that I have made. It does have a 9-volt battery switch, and obviously these 2 clamps to provide the positive and negative. And I have managed this LED as well, just to work as a flasher. Just one is enough right now because I'm confirming the operation of the flasher unit. So as you see on the screen, this is how I should provide the battery positive and negative, and how I should connect the LED as well. So basically, I need to provide the battery positive to this pin, battery negative here, and then I can put my LED across these 2 pins. All right, let's start. So I'm gonna provide the battery positive, negative here. Still my switch is off. And for the LED itself, I insert this wire right here, and the other one should go right there. Okay, all good. So I just try to keep the LED this way so you can see if it starts working. So the only thing I need to do right now, I need to close the switch to see if flasher works. If flasher unit works, at the same time you need to keep hearing the flasher operation. This one should keep turning on and off, like when your flashers are working. So as you see, this one keeps working, and you see this one keeps working as well. So this is basically how you can test the flasher unit. As you see, I'm not using any expensive tools or equipment as well. Just a normal LED, a 9-volt battery, just some wires and 2 clamps and 1 switch, nothing really else. This means the flasher is okay, but if it doesn't work, obviously you need to replace the flasher unit. Thank you very much guys for watching.